We can enrich generic dimensions in a model using dimension attributes. Dimension attributes enable us to designate columns as descriptions, properties, or parents of other dimensions. In this example, there are multiple pairs of columns that contain IDs and names for the same entities, such as store and store name. So we'll set the names as descriptions for the appropriate dimensions. We'll repeat the process for the other columns that come in ID description pairs. Note that the icons for the columns designated as descriptions have changed. In this example, there's also a column containing phone numbers that we'll set as a property for the store dimension. For more information on the parent attribute, refer to the video on creating hierarchies. For details on how to further enrich and finish generating the model, refer to the videos on the relevant modeling topics. Once the model has been created, the description for the dimension displays in the description column. If no description is mapped, this column contains the same values as the ID column. When displaying the dimension in a chart, the description displays by default, but we can choose to show the ID or both values if desired. Any mapped properties are displayed in an additional column. In charts, these can be added as additional details. Thanks for watching.